Well, good morning, everybody. It's a sort of an overcast morning. We're expecting pop-up showers all day and a couple thunderstorms, which isn't surprising since it's so humid. Today what I'm going to do is, the part finally came for my tail light that Glory had broken when we were at the Amish sawmill. The part came yesterday. I did a show, and when I got back, the other tail light is now broken. So it looks like somebody hit me. You can see where I have all this white. Now the bulb's not broken, and the bulb still works, but I'll just have to order another tail light. So let's carry on. It said all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. There's one screw. I looked it up on the internet. Yeah, there's the other screw. Right in here. Whew. Well, it looked a lot easier on YouTube. You should just twist out these bulbs. All right, we've got it figured out now. My thumbs aren't strong enough to twist it. This time, I'm going to hold my hand in there. Shoot. All right, 4 trips to the basement. I decided I'm going to make a magnetized screwdriver. I have a magnet here. I'm putting it on the screwdriver, and voila. Not catching. Not quite sure why. That's the problem. They said this was universal, but it's not. I need a bigger screw. Well, that makes me mad. I could have been here all day. Well, the tail light was $30. I guess that's why. But it didn't say anything about buying, you know, screws to fit. These don't fit really well. They don't click in. I'll be surprised if any of these bulbs work after I'm done. The way it's been banging around. Now I know. All right, I'm either going to go to Kevin's or I'm going to go over to up to True Value. For now, I'm just going to Scotch tape this on just to get where I'm going. Okay, I went up to the local hardware store and I got, at least I hope I got the right thing. We're magnetizing the screwdriver because I've already lost one. Boy, it just flies. Sure it would fit. All right, I'm going to take the whole light in and I'll find one that fits right. All right, another trip to the basement. Yep. No, there we go.
Pull forward.
Is it working?
Yes, pull forward. Put your brakes on.
I got lights?
Yes. We don't know what the middle one's for.
What?
What's the middle light for? There it is.
Indicator. Try the other one. Yeah, perfect.
They both work.
They all work.
Hallelujah.
The top two red work. Its turn signals work. The white ones work.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching.